Ladies and gentlemen, get your bags up. We winning. Count it up. Level up.
Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey girl, hey. So guys, in today's video, we are going to be talking about the Christian Dior Book Tote. And this is the one that I'm referring to right here. So first, let's talk about packaging and how it actually came, okay? So it came in this box, okay? Inside the box, and it did look like this when I opened it. Inside the box came this, and let's just open that up. Okay, this is what one side looks like, and then this is what the other side looks like. So you could tie this on your purse, you could use it as a headband, anything you like. It also came with this. Let me see if you all can see that. And it does have Dior on it. It also came with this. And inside, you've got the little tag. There we go, the little tag. Then we've got this card, and on the back, if you all can see that. And then it also came with this little booklet, okay? It also came with this little tie if you want to use it. That says Christian Dior, okay? And also in the box is the receipt. So right here, see if you all can see that, is the receipt. Okay. Now the bag did come in a dust bag that it came in. Has Dior on one side, plain on the other. All right, so let's get into the actual tote bag. And the one that I ordered is the Christian Dior medium book tote, okay? This is the medium. And this is it on one side, and I did have it customized with my name on the other side. And give you a close-up of what it's looking like. And the other side. Okay. The inside, you open it up. This is what the inside looks like. Okay. There is no pockets, anything on the inside. Okay. Right here, the tag is there. Hope y'all can see that. And I just feel like it is the perfect size. Nice handles. See if y'all can see the handles, the detailing on it. Detailing around the edges. And this is the other side. And this is perfect for like a work tote. Let me see if my laptop would actually fit in it. Okay, this is the MacBook Pro. Let's slide it in, and it fits perfectly. And look at all the room that's left in there. So I could put something like my journal in there, maybe a pen or something like that. And it's still so much room in here. So much room. Look at that. Great investment. I love it. So this video wasn't long. I just wanted to let you know what came in here. I could actually get probably my personal laptop if I want to take more than one laptop. Some more journals if I need a planner, anything like that. So I love it, love it, love it. And I did purchase this book tote from a private seller. So if you'd like to get the information, just drop me a comment down below and I'll include her information. One thing I would like to mention is the shipping time for this order. I originally placed this order on August the 31st. And because I had my customized, she did let me know that it would take 3 to 4 weeks. So I placed my order on August 31st. By September 19th, I had a notification that it had shipped, and my order arrived on September 22nd. So, and today is the 23rd. So, I just wanted to note that because if you do get it customized, it will take a little bit longer. But without customization, shipping pretty much took like 3 days. So I would probably say no more than a week if you don't get it customized like I did. I would like to see more luxury hauls like this. Just drop me some comments down in the comment section and I'll try to come back with some more videos like that. And for now, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Natural queen woke up like this. Heels, nails, and simplified kicks. Haters ask how she getting all this. You silly tricks with the flick on my wrist.